Introducing the 2023 Kia Sportage K4 mild hybrid in a sleek grey exterior colour. This dynamic vehicle is equipped with a powerful 1.6-litre engine, registered new in 2023. The Kia Sportage K4 boasts a range of comfort and convenience features, including heated seats, satellite navigation, and Android Auto CarPlay connectivity. Safety is paramount in the Kia Sportage K4, with lane departure warning, collision avoidance braking, and intelligent speed assist, ensuring peace of mind on the road. The stylish design features alloy wheels, luxurious leather interior, and roof rails for added versatility. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website for more information on how you can get behind the wheel of the impressive 2023 Kia Sportage K4 mild hybrid. Drive with confidence and style in this exceptional SUV.